This 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GL550 Sport Navigation System, Rear View Camera, Panoramic Sunroof, Heated Front Seats, Cooled Front Seats, Heated Rear Seats, Heated Steering Wheel, Heated and Cooled Front Cup Holders, Front Parking Sensors, Rear Parking Sensors, 4.6L V8 Bi-Turbo Engine, 7-speed automatic transmission, All-Wheel Drive System, Keyless Entry, Keyless Start, Fog Lamps, Power Trunk Opener, Cruise Control, Power Adjustable Steering Wheel, Power Automatic Windows, Power Door Locks, Wood Trim Interior, Silver Metallic Exterior, Black Leather Interior, BMW Floor Mat, Owner's Manual, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Megabytes GL550 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp price, and visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.